Hello everyone, I'm Clara. Welcome to the 23rd Shining 3D Dental Salon. I'm going to talk about CreSplint, the newest and intelligent dental tool developed by Shining 3D today. The CreSplint design software is seamlessly integrated into the intra-oral scan software, making it extremely easy for users to create splint-like night guards and retainers from the intra-oral scan data. This means you can initiate this function module directly from the intra-oral scan software. The CreSplint module is also synchronized integrated into the printer slicing software AccuWare Collection. You can download this module from AccuWare. All the parameters will be automatically chosen for you if you enter from CreSplint. The full process splint creation can be fluently start from oral scan scanners and end with AccuFed printers, with no extra step operation needed, creating ease-to-use purpose for all users. Here is a video to show you how we can create splint, whether it's a night guard or retainer in CreSplint. Intraoral software has the access to load data straight into this software. This means we don't have to transfer data between different software anymore. Then with its powerful AI algorithms, the software will generate a customized night guard for both your upper and lower jaws in 30 seconds, but it depends on your computer's configuration. It's a fully automated process that doesn't require any manual adjustments. The whole thing is super smart and doesn't need much learning on user side. Its efficient workflow makes things easier for dentists. When everything's final checked, we can move on to the next step, printing. Just go to Print to start the AccuWare. The digital night guard or retainer will be automatically loaded into the AccuWare, and you can then generate the necessary support and slicing files for printing. You can use Shining 3D's SS01 resin or other third-party resin for this purpose. It's a really simple process. The design of the night guard or retainer can be printed using AccuFab L4D and AccuFab D1S, as well as third-party printers and resins. For night guards or retainers, you have the option like Splint 2.0 385 from Dtex FreePrint, CreSplint Soft, and CreSplint Hard from Keystone. The printing software already has the necessary parameters for these materials installed, and we have conducted through compatibility tests with our printers to ensure accurate and reliable CreSplint prints. Here I want to compare the difference between the traditional method and our all-in-one solution for making night guards or retainers, so you can understand the pros and cons of these two methods. In traditional method, during the patient's first visit, they take a physical impression and the dentist will create a stone model which takes about 60 minutes or more. Then the splint is produced by thermoforming in around 1 minute. After that, we trim and shape its margin line to make suitable for clinical use. This is all done manually. The whole process takes around 100 minutes. However, with digital technology, everything changes completely. When the patient arrives, the dentist captures intraoral scan data using OralScan 3 or OralScan 3 Wireless. Then a digital splint can be designed and generated using CreSplint software. It can be printed in AccuFab D1S or AccuFab L4D and undergo post-processing in FabWash and FabCure to remove any residual and ensure clarity. After some minor manual adjustments, a night guard or retainer is ready. The entire process takes less than an hour. So as you can see, in the traditional way, the whole process takes more time and effort because there's a lot of manual work involved. Plus, you have to deal with messy powder like alginate and gypsum. On the other hand, with digital technology, things are much easier and efficient. It saves time and effort, plus it helps data retention and tracking. Now I will pass on to our EMEA Technical Supervisor, Filippo. He will talk more on the technical side of CreSplint.
Hello, here is Filippo. Welcome to this video. Today I will show you one of the three main features we are ready to release this August for the OralScan 3 and OralScan 3 Wireless user. As always, Shining 3D will offer these tools for free for all the users. The first feature that I'm going to show you is the CreSplint. The CreSplint, as you can read, is a functional module that you can use in order to create night guards and retainers. What's the feature of the CreSplint? The CreSplint basically it's a tool that, thanks to the artificial intelligence, is able to create in less than 2 minutes retainers and night guard, as I said before. Let's see together how it works. So let's proceed with a practical demonstration. Here in front of me I have the software of the Scan 3 wired open. I can click here in order to have the access to this new module. Okay, as soon as we click the tool, we have the possibility to choose between night guard or retainer. We have also here the possibility to see the file that we imported. Consider that, of course, it's possible to import any kind of file that comes from the Shining 3D, Scan 3 or Scan 3 wireless. For this example, we can proceed selecting a night guard. Next step. Okay, the upper is done. And also the lower is completed. So as you can see, thanks to the artificial intelligence, the software completely automatically creates the night guard. We can turn on the texture information. We can of course put in transparency the frame that the software generated. Now let's check what we can do in order to adjust the night guard according to our needs. We can of course, for example, change the insertion direction of the bite. So it's just necessary to orientate the model according to our preference. Double click on the arrow, and now the software is calculating the new insertion direction that we defined, just orientating the model. So as you can see, in my case, it's a better insertion direction of the bite. Same for the lower. Okay, just to make an example, double click, and the new insertion direction will be calculated in a few seconds. Okay, I can confirm, and now the software is generating again the bites. Okay, related to what we are able to do, of course, it's possible to design 100% the shape of the bites of the night guard, so we have a full control on the design of the bite. So as you can see, we have two different ways in order to draw the shape of the bite. And of course, we can also adjust the parameters of the night guard. So we can choose the undercut filling ratio. We can choose, of course, the thickness, and we can choose the gap. So we have, as I said before, the full control of what we are creating. Consider the fact that the artificial intelligence works really in a perfect way, and by default, automatically the software is able to design 100% automatically a perfect night guard in this case. Thanks to the 2D view, we have the possibility to check what the software automatically designed and what in case we modified. So in order to have a full and better control, we have also the possibility to turn on the 2D view. Once completed the design of the night guard, we have the possibility to go to print directly. Acqueware will be automatically open, and the 2 bytes will be automatically imported. So in really less than 2 minutes we are able to start the print process of the night guards. Here we are, and we are ready to print. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video.
That's all for today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you won't miss any future updates. See you next time.